Ramayana discussion. Right? We also want to welcome Atharv. He is Rushank's elder brother. You'd like to tell us a little about yourself, which class you're in? And
So I'm in
class
class 11
11.
from Shiv School.
So we have another 4 students. So he's also in Shiv Nadir. And who else is there? Jia and Adi. No. We'll discuss. So last time हमने क्या डिस्कस किया था रामायण में? Valmik. Right? What is the meaning of Valmik?
Anthill.
Anthill. And who was covered by the anthill?
Valmiki.
What was his name before? And what was वो क्या करते थे? Hunting. Right? और वो कैसे ट्रांसफॉर्म हो गए? हाँ, तो नारद मुनि ने उनसे क्या पूछा था? What did he ask him?
To chant his no, he asked him that you do sin and you serve your family. Ask your family that they'll come with you and not your sins. भुगेंगे तो everybody told no. So then he told that you should chant the Lord's name, and Ram was also difficult to chant for him. So Narad Muni said, as you are a hunter, you should say Mara, because it's very easy for a hunter to say Mara Mara. And if you say Mara Mara many times, the Ram Mara 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 means Ram comes. So he was chanting Ram Mara Mara, and Ram was coming. And then after so many years, an anthill came, and then he transformed to Valmiki.
And then Narad Muni came and then he sprinkled something on him and then he came out a beautiful Valmiki, right?
What did he sprinkle?
Little drop of the Ganga water on the anthill. Huh? And then he composed the Ramayana in a beautiful meter, right? Meter is what? Is one way to
Poetic.
recite something, right? So you can recite these verses. He wrote how many verses? How many verses Ramayana has?
20,000.
20?
8,000.
Yes.
28.
24. 24,000 verses, my God. 24,000. Each verse has how many lines? Small.
5, 4.
4. 4 lines. Right?
इसमें सिर्फ 4 lines. सिर्फ 4 lines.
जैसे भगवत गीता है, how many lines it has?
96,000 lines.
96. How did you get? How did you get? It has 700 verses. 700 into 4 is how many? Acha. Ramayana. Yeah, you calculated nicely. Yes. 96,000 lines. My God. So now we will start the story of. Last time we spoke about Ayodhya, right? How beautiful Ayodhya was. And who was the king of Ayodhya that time? Dasharatha Maharaj. And why was Ayodhya such a flourishing kingdom?
Because the village
If he's speaking.
because the village was very beautiful and no one.
Was it just a village?
It was a kingdom. It was a kingdom,
Ah.
and no one had to steal anything from anyone because everyone was happy. Yes.
Everyone was happy, right? There was abundance of everything. They had beautiful cities filled with different palaces, gardens, fountains, right? There was never any problem with water. There was no traffic jam, right?
Electricity.
Yes, power shortage. There was nothing like that. And what was the most unique thing about the kingdom?
That everyone lived in peace.
Were there big security systems? Why? Because nobody stole. Why? What was the real reason why they didn't steal?
Everyone had trust. And everybody was santush.
They were peaceful and they had good. They had good what? Good mentality, good character, right? And So for to have such a nice kingdom, what is the most important thing? Ministers. और ministers के ऊपर कौन है?
A good king.
You need a good king, right? If the king is not virtuous,
And he's खुद के लिए
he's
खुद के लिए
and he's selfish, then क्या होगा?
then the kingdom will be done.
There will be many problems. But if the king is ideal, उसके अच्छे qualities है और वो दूसरों का क्या करना चाहता है? भला करना चाहता है, फिर क्या करेगा? फिर क्या होगा?
Kingdom will be very happy from the king and nobody will do anything chori.
Yes, it's because he will do everything for the welfare of the people. Now how will the king rule? With
With
whom?
the help of the ministers.
So how many? He had a team of? How?
8 ministers.
Yes, 8 ministers.
और 8 ministers के अंदर there were thousands and millions of ministers. 8 were the main ministers.
So what did we learn? Main thing from there?
That we should not be selfish. जैसे we play football and we are a star player. So बोलेंगे मैं तो खुद ही मार दूंगा, मैं star player हूँ. We should be with our team. राजा भी ऐसे ही करते हैं. We should be like हम टीम में हम एक ही पोजीशन में, कोई ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं है. We should take advice from everyone. जो सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा है उससे.
So you are convinced of this? Rushank, what do you say? We should be a team player or not? हाँ, आप तो बहुत स्पोर्ट्स खेलते हो. हाँ, कि इंडिविजुअल स्टार बनना है कि टीम प्लेयर बनना है? हाँ, टीम प्लेयर. ओके. What about you, Chaitanya Priya? Huh? None. Why? No sports. Huh? What about you? Here's our star team player. Huh?
Team player.
Why is it important to be a team player?
Because like my sir said, like if a person from a team scores, he doesn't care who scores. He just cares that a team scores. Like because the person wouldn't be able to score without the help of other people. He can't just dribble the whole team and then score. He needs to get passes, assists, and then he will score.
Very nice. So, if we are good team players, then the chances that our team will win.
Yeah.
Right?
And team will also win if you are very team के साथ एकदम खेलते हो, तब तुम automatically star player बन जाओगे, जैसे रोनाल्डो, मेसी.
Sure.
तो वो टीम के साथ पहले खेलते थे, पहले इतना फेमस थोड़ी थे, अब हो गए अपने आप क्योंकि वो टीम के साथ खेलते हैं.
So now, आज हम discuss करेंगे. We will discuss the birth of Lord Ram. Okay. So the kingdom, it had everything, सब कुछ था, सब कुछ flourishing, बहुत खुश थे सब, right? लेकिन एक कमी थी. अब क्या हुआ? राजा was getting older, right? So is a king permanent? Right? So as a king is getting older, what is his responsibility?
To make his son the king.
To-
prepare his son.
To prepare his son, right? Or to prepare someone who's qualified to take over his responsibility. है ना? तभी तो राज्य चलेगा. अगर king's one of his main responsibilities is to make sure कि उसके बाद जो भी responsibility लेगा king का, वो भी एक क्या होना चाहिए? Capable person होना चाहिए. लेकिन king का क्या था? How many sons did the king have?
4.
0.
King had 0 sons.
Yeah, 4 sons.
No, that time he had 0 sons. So he was really what? He was very, very sad. Yes, he was worried. He was anxious. कि क्या होगा? So then he decided to consult whom? He decided to consult Vashishta Muni, right? Who was his teacher, spiritual teacher. And he told him that I am thinking of doing a big yagya. And he wanted to do a Ashwamedha yagya. क्या माधव, कौन सा यज्ञ? अश्वमेध. उसमें क्या होता है? आपको पता है? क्या होता है?
घोड़ा भेजा जाता है.
अरे वाह. यस, घोड़े को कहाँ भेजते हैं?
उसका चक्कर लगाने के लिए.
हाँ, चक्कर लगाता है। और कहाँ चक्कर लगाता है वो? नहीं, उसी गली में नहीं, पूरे विश्व में चक्कर लगाता है वो। उन्होंने घोड़ा भेजा सारे विश्व में, राइट, सारे किंगडम्स में भेजा, और घोड़े के साथ 400 प्रिंस गए, राइट। और ये रूल था कि वो जो भी उनके साथ जाता है पहले सबको इनविटेशन देता है। अगर कोई रिफ्यूज करे तो उसका एक बैटल होता है,
वीजा लगाना।
हाँ, फिर वो लड़ते हैं, और अगर वो हार गए तो वो यज्ञ नहीं हो सकता है। तो जहाँ भी जाते हैं वो, अगर किसी ने उनको चैलेंज किया और बोले नहीं हम आपका इनविटेशन नहीं एक्सेप्ट करें, तो उनके क्या होता था, एक बैटल होता था। और अगर बैटल में वो हार गए तो फिर वो यज्ञ नहीं हो पाता। लेकिन इसमें क्या हुआ, एक चमत्कार हुआ। वो लोग जहाँ भी गए क्या हुआ,
इनविटेशन एक्सेप्ट
हाँ,
कर वो अयोध्या है।
हाँ,
कोई भी अयोध्या
सो सबने इनविटेशन एक्सेप्ट कर ली।
Because Dashrath Maharaj were very powerful and nobody would stand.
अयोध्या का यही तो मतलब है।
हाँ, अनकॉन्करेबल। क्या है?
अनकॉन्करेबल।
Yes. So then, what happened? Everyone got invited for this yagya, right? And they made so much preparation. जैसे हम लोग का यहाँ फेस्टिवल होता है, right? हम लोग दूसरे टेम्पल से सबको बुलाते हैं, या घर में हम कोई प्रोग्राम करते हैं, हम गेस्ट को बुलाते हैं, तो हम क्या करते हैं? हम
Kirtan, Prasad and lecture.
नहीं, इनविटेशन के बाद उनको आने, क्या जब वो आते हैं,
Greet.
हाँ, वेलकम करते हैं। और अगर वो रहेंगे तो उनके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? सिर्फ प्रसाद से होगा? अच्छे रूम सेटअप करने पड़ेंगे। इमेजिन ऑल द किंग्स आर कमिंग, सारे किंग्स आ रहे हैं दूसरे अपने सब्जेक्ट्स के साथ, राइट। हाँ, G20 में क्या होता है? हाँ,
Gurgaon 20.
तो ये अयोध्या, सोच, अयोध्या, hundreds of kings are coming, so they built palaces for them, they built dormitories, they decorated. It was a huge event, okay. And then the yagya started, right? And for the yagya, Vashisht Muni was there, and then one special Muni was invited.
Vishwamitra.
No,
Valmiki.
no. Rishi Shringa, right?
Yes.
He was a young Brahmin. Welcome, Gopi ji. Sit here. So he got invited. He was a powerful Brahmin, right? And then they started doing this Ashwamedha Yagya. And the Yagya is going on in Ayodhya. At the same time, there's another scene going on in the heavenly planets, right? And what is that scene? That all the Devtas have gone to Brahmaji with a complaint, with a concern. And what is the concern?
Ravan.
That
what two demons are.
नहीं, two demon नहीं, Ravan, one demon.
अच्छा वो यज्ञ वाला है?
तो यज्ञ
अच्छा sorry.
नहीं, ये दूसरा है, ठीक है। तो जैसे ये यज्ञ हो रहा है, आप सोचो, ये तो यज्ञ अयोध्या में हो रहा है, राइट। In the heavenly planets, another simultaneously one event is going on, right?
Complaining event.
हाँ, complaining event, concern event. So they've gone to Brahmaji and told them what? That we are getting harassed by whom?
Ravan.
Ravan, right? And then they're asking him to help the Devtas. And as they go to Brahmaji, and Brahmaji starts thinking, who appears? कौन आता है उनके पास? Vishnu ji appears. And he assures them that he will also come in the form of a human. Because, yes,
He will come in the form of a prince and a king.
and in the human form, he will come and he will protect the Devtas.
He also told them to become मतलब earth पे वानर के form में आए.
And he told them that I'm going to come soon, so you all go, and you all also appear in the form of what?
वानर से.
monkey, so we should not call them monkey.
Yes, very good.
Celestial monkeys.
Celestial monkeys.
Monkeys that don't steal glasses.
So as now we'll go back to the yagya. So when the Ashwamedha yagya got over, right, and Darshan Maharaj was very very happy, बहुत खुश थे, right, बहुत सारा charity, he wanted to give lot of charity, and then they said, the Rishi Singha said that you need to do another yagya, right, a second yagya.
Putra Kameshti.
Yes, Putra Kameshti Yagya or Putreshti Yagya. There's two. So उसमें उन्होंने यज्ञ किया एक और उस यज्ञ में से कौन पता है कौन निकला?
Demon.
नहीं.
God of medicines and Dhanvantri.
No. One Vishnudut appeared, right? And he came with this divine
Nectar.
sweet rice portion, right?
Kheer.
खीर, right? खीर लेके आए.
I think.
और उन्होंने दशरथ महाराज को बोला कि you feed it to 3 of your wives, and those 3 wives will then give birth to how many sons? 4, right? So then he got this and he divided this portion. He gave half to Mother Kaushalya, right? Then he gave 1/8, which is 12%, 12 point something percent to whom? Kaikeyi, right? Then he gave
Leftover.
no. Then he gave 1 portion to Sumitra, and then he was still left over with 1/8, right? So he gave 1/4 to Sumitra, 1/8 to Kaikeyi, and he was still left with 1/8 at the end. And then who did he give the last one to?
Sumitra.
किसको दिया?
That's why the Sumitra से 2 आए.
Ah,
Lakshman
yes. Good.
and Shatrughan.
Very good. So then what happened? After almost 1 year, she gave birth, all 3 gave birth to sons. So Kaushalya gave birth to whom? Ram. Kaikeyi gave birth to? Bharat.
Lakshman.
No, Bharat.
Only Bharat. Write this thing down. And then who did Sumitra give birth to?
Lakshman and Shatrughan.
Yes. And before this happened, he gave lot of charity to all the Brahmanas who came, right? So, no, especially he gave to the Brahmanas. He says, you take everything I have. Right? Darshan Maharaj was so happy. He said, you take everything. Then did the Brahman say, हाँ, ले लेते सब कुछ? हाँ? ब्राह्मणों ने क्या बोला? What did the Brahmins say?
That they will take everything.
What do you think the Brahmins did? Manya, what did you think the Brahmins did? Did हाँ? So what did they say? No, wait. राधिका क्या किया उन्होंने?
उन्होंने कहा कि हमें नहीं चाहिए.
तो उन्होंने क्या कहा उनको?
कि नहीं हमें बस हमारा हो गया.
हमारा हो गया?
We are satisfied.
Yes, Gauranga.
जो ऐसे ब्राह्मण थे who were not greedy, so they didn't take, but few Brahmins who were little greedy, they took it.
Can I tell?
You want to try? Okay, you try.
I was telling that Brahmins were thinking ऐसा मौका और कभी नहीं आएगा, अभी ले लेते हैं सब कुछ.
ये ब्राह्मण का स्वभाव है कि किसका है? हाँ?
Material people.
आपको क्या लगता है माधव वो सब लेके झड़प लिया सब? हाँ? No. Right? What do you think, Priyansh? So basically the Brahmins, they are not greedy by nature. A genuine Brahmin is not greedy. Right? They said we will only take as much as required. Right? We will not take everything that you are giving. So this is the nature of a Brahmin. Brahmin is truthful, Brahmin is simple, and Brahmin is not greedy. Okay? Yes? Now I have a question for you. Now they did this 2 yagyas. So can we do these yagyas now?
No.
Huh?
Yes.
क्या लगता है? Chaitanya Priya?
Yes, कर सकते हैं.
I think.
We can do it, but we start a civil war.
Huh?
We have to.
No, why do you think you can do this yagya? Tell me.
We can do it, but the yagya yoga is, I think, in some other yoga.
Achha. But you can do it still.
We will die if we can't.
Huh?
We will die because we don't have that much powerful warriors. No, we
Huh?
don't have warriors.
Yes.
So we will die
So,
silently.
like these यज्ञास are done with very much perfection. जो अभी नहीं है मतलब ऐसे some अमोघलिया वो अपने लेक्चर में बता रहे थे that if कोई भी छोटी सी भी मिस्टेक हो जाती है then few मतलब
बहुत
जो
बड़ी चीज़ कर रहे
ब्रह्म
हो।
राक्षस they attack I don't know something like that.
अच्छा तो मैं I want to ask you one question. What is a yagya? Sacrifice. So what is a sacrifice? Yeah.
So
Offering to Krishna.
that it is like we have to do pious activities for the welfare of others.
Okay, nice. To please the demigods. What else? Anything else? What is a yagya?
And यज्ञ is a thing when आप अग्नि देवता को बहुत सारी means लास्ट में नारियल डाल देते हैं, फल डाल देते हैं, इतना तेल डाल देते हैं, so he becomes happy and he grants her as
यही तो confusion है सर में, right? हम जब यज्ञ के बारे में सोचते हैं, हम सोचते हैं एक फायर यज्ञ हो रहा है और उसमें कोई नारियल डाल रहा है, कोई घी डाल रहा है, कोई ये आहुति डाल रहा है, कोई हाँ
नारियल को
यहाँ
यहाँ
से-
पर एक
हाँ।
सजा के रखते हैं.
हाँ, राइट? हम ये सोचते हैं ये यज्ञ है, लेकिन यज्ञ का क्या मीनिंग होता है? Offering to whom? To God, to Yagyapati. Who? You know another name of Vishnu?
यज्ञपति.
So his name is Yagya. So in the Gita, Krishna says Yagyarthat Anyato, right? He says if you don't do Yagya, then what will happen? Lokayam karma bandhana. You will get stuck. So Yagya has to be performed. Yagya is any work or any offering that is done for the pleasure of the Lord Vishnu. And today if we have to do that Yagya, which Yagya do we do?
Sankirtan yajna.
No, we do the fire yajna.
Sankirtan yajna.
Kali Yug में which Yagya is?
कलयुग में.
तो हम कौन से युग में हैं भाई?
कलयुग.
हाँ?
मटीरियल यज्ञ. अच्छा
तो अभी जो हमने कीर्तन किया आज संकीर्तन, हाँ it is
महाराज used to say, भक्तियाश महाराज कहते हैं एक means कीर्तन is more powerful than 100 अश्वमेध यज्ञ.
yes, not har koti crores of Ashwamedha Yagyas. In Kali Yug,
अश्वमेध यज्ञ today.
huh? No, you didn't do one, you did crores of Ashwamedha Yagyas.
So where are the horses gone now?
Which? You don't need horses.
They kill the horse.
Most people can't afford a horse today, you know that. अगर मैं आपको horse दे भी दूँ, आप रखोगे कहाँ?
You can just borrow it from a farm.
हाँ?
You can borrow it from a farm.
Okay, try. You try.
If
हाँ,
you borrow
Riyansh.
it in the farm, then where will you keep it?
हाँ.
In the house? No, we'll give it back to them after the yagya.
अच्छा Riyansh, okay. Tomorrow we will have a yagya. You go to a farm and try and borrow a horse from them. हाँ?
लात मार देगा. वो तो गधा होता है.
You can use a gadha. Gadha is more cheaper.
Jia, what do you think? Easy to, huh?
You can't return it back because you see Rashtra in Yagya, you after the thing have to kill the horse and then offer it to the thing.
Ah.
So that it won't work.
And then another thing why it won't work, the main thing it won't work is that you need to chant the right mantras. Right?
We don't even know.
You can't even, how many of you can, you remember all the mantras? Very few. You know only 20 verses, 30 verses.
No, I
But-
can remember thousands and crores of verses.
Okay, first remember, then then you can do a yagya.
Then let's see.
Then let's
We
see.
can copy from a book.
What if
We
the yagya
can-
goes wrong?
We can see the pronunciation. Pronunciation we can practice and then we can do a yagya.
It'll take thousands of years.
Yeah, it will take many, many thousands of years.
But
You know how many, suppose 24,000 shlokas in Ramayana. Then you have Mahabharata. Mahabharata has how many, you know?
A lot.
हम
मैंने लास्ट अच्छा रामायण में कितना बताया था मैंने लास्ट
24,000.
महाभारत में 18? No. 18,000 is Bhagavatam. Srimad Bhagavatam.
1 lakh.
महाभारत में 80
No, 700 in Mahabharat.
No, Mahabharata has more.
So Mahabharat और Bhagavad Gita में difference क्या है?
So today it is not possible to do these yagyas. That's why the Lord, knowing कि आप तो एक घोड़ा खरीद भी, कितने लोग, सब लोग घोड़ा खरीद सकते हैं, घोड़ा रख सकते हैं, मंत्र सीख सकते हैं, नॉट पॉसिबल. हाँ, घी भी प्योर नहीं है, राइट? कुछ प्योर नहीं है, लेकिन एक चीज भगवान ने दी है जिसमें सारी शक्ति, नाम नाम अकारी बहुधा निज सर्व शक्ति. किसमें दिया हुआ है?
नाम.
हाँ, नाम नाम. किसका नाम?
हरिनाम.
हाँ, भगवान के नाम में सारी शक्तियाँ भगवान ने दी हुई हैं, राइट? सो टुडे द मोस्ट इफेक्टिव यज्ञ is to do this Sankirtan yagya. Now you're sitting here, it is not that you need some fire yagya, you need some Brahmins, right? हाँ, और आधे लोग तो ऐसे ही कब खत्म होगा, सो रहे हैं, ये वो कर रहे हैं, राइट? कोई फ़ोन देख रहा है, कोई मैसेज देख रहा है, कोई ये कर रहा है, हाँ, है ना? हाँ, वो स्वाहा करे जा रहे हो और आप अपना यहाँ व्हाट्सएप कर रहे हो, ये कर रहे हो, है ना?
नहीं, हम तो प्लेट में करते हैं.
अच्छा,
और फिर लास्ट
लेकिन कीर्तन कितना इजी था, मजा आया था कि नहीं कीर्तन में?
तो सुलाते हैं, ओनली माधव प्रभु का कीर्तन सुलाते हैं. लाइक यज्ञ.
So anything you want to do auspicious, we have been given the Sankirtan Yagya, right? उससे सबसे ज़्यादा हमारा हृदय ट्रांसफॉर्म होता है. So then these, what happened? Then they took birth, 4 of them, and they had a very very nice childhood. अब childhood के बारे में ज़्यादा कुछ रामायण में नहीं है. क्यों नहीं है? जैसे बाल लीला, कृष्ण की बाल लीला के बहुत बहुत कुछ पास टाइम शेयर किए हुए हैं, राइट? अब जैसे हम देखते हैं चैतन्य महाप्रभु की भी बाल लीला, लॉट ऑफ पास टाइम्स आर देयर, बट इन
Nice adventures book.
हाँ, Nimai's adventure, but in Ramayan there's not a lot of description of the bal leela. Why is that? Any guesses?
क्योंकि वो थोड़ा सीरियस हो जाए.
एक है ना,
हाँ,
बाल लीला तो पूरा एक मतलब चैप्टर और बाल कांड.
हाँ, लेकिन उसमें उनकी जो बचपन की जो लीलाएं हैं वो बहुत नहीं है, बहुत बहुत समरी वर्जन में दी हुई है.
बहुत समरी वर्जन में दिया था, उतना तो समझे नहीं.
क्योंकि क्या है, राम जी comes as what? Maryadam Purushottam, right? So most of his pastimes are when he is grown up and he is a prince and a king, right? And he's setting a good example. So that's why Valmiki ji has focused on those pastimes. Okay? So just the last part now, last 5 minutes we'll discuss and we'll finish. Okay?
That's later.
Huh? So who become very close in their childhood? There are 4 of them, right? So who become very close? Ram and Lakshman become very close.
Yeah. When Ram और लक्ष्मण का वो अलग कर देते, what do we call that? Small बच्चों का वो
Cradle.
bed.
हाँ, cradle.
जो अलग कर देते, लक्ष्मण एंड राम would cry, so उन्हें एक में कर देते और भरत शत्रुघ्न को एक उसमें कर देते थे. So everybody would be fine.
Ah, very nice.
And महाप्रभु हरिनाम संकीर्तन से ठीक हो जाते थे.
Very nice. So they became very close, right? और जब ऐसे ही बड़े हुए, they were almost 16 years old, तो एक बार दशरथ महाराज के किंगडम में एक साधु आए, विश्वामित्र मुनि, right? So he came and he was, wait, be quiet now. So he was a great sage, right? And then the Dashrath Maharaj welcomed him. He made him sit,